So here we have three pairs of students, so call them P, Q, R. And I'm just going to label the students S1, S2. This is just for me to visualize. I'm just calling them S1 through S6 because there are two in each. And so the teacher has to decide in what order the pairs will perform. So for example, it could be P, Q, R, P, R, Q. And we know there would be 6 of these. Why? Because we have 3, so that's 3 factorial, or 3 times 2 times 1. Some of you can just write this out so that you can visualize what's happening. So this is one possibility. These are the 6 possible ways that the pairs can perform. And then the students within each of these pairs, they'll be introduced immediately before they perform. So their introductions will be different. So for example, here, if that's the particular order in which the pairs perform, within this it could be S1, S2, S2, S1, and here would be S3, S4, S4, S3, and then, so some students might just list them all out. So we can see that just with PQR, we have, this would be 8 here. Why? Because you could do that, because we have 2 choices for each one of these, 2 here and 2. And if you were just visualizing it using the tree diagram, each sequence would be you go from here to that, this, 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 that. So because you have 2 options for each of these pairs, the total is just using the basic counting principle would be 8. So each one of these is 8, and we have 6 of these, 6 ways we can, though the groups can perform. So the total would be 8 times 6, or 48. Choice C. So I just want to comment that sometimes it's helpful to kind of draw this out schematically to visualize what's actually happening, and then you can see what I need to do. Meaning jumping to the result directly, saying that we have 3 factorial and then 2 cube. Not saying this isn't possible, but it is harder to just make a jump directly to this. And depending on how comfortable you are with the material, you'll have to kind of take the help from this visualization to help you get to the answer. So to summarize, the answer is C.